So moving out of the lab and into the production environment is our specialty. 15 years ago, what we did is we developed a process that we called design for manufacturing. And what we're doing here is we're actually working from day one in the lab to ensure the materials we design today can be manufactured tomorrow, and most importantly, that it's done cost effectively. So it's a proprietary process, but at a high level, our chemical engineering teams are actually embedded with our researchers, and what they're looking to do is ensure as a researcher is creating a synthetic approach or a formula in the lab, that it's going to fit within certain parameters that we know scale well into manufacturing environments. But it's really a whole of company approach, because our purchasing teams will do things like work up raw material cost analysis at various scales. Our business analysts will do manufacturing price simulations at various scales. And it's a real iterative process that happens throughout the entire life of the program in the lab all the way through to commercialization.